Hello again guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're back in the Shropshire Hills. Last time we were there we tried putting up the Lanshan on top of a hill, but it was way too windy, so we actually went out and bought a Naturehike Cloud Peak 2, and we bought the 15D version, which there's not many reviews of on YouTube, so hopefully you can see how that fares in this video, and hopefully that can help someone out. So here I'm just setting up the tent, and there's plenty of videos on YouTube on how you set these tents up. It's identical to the 20D version, no changes there. I actually got Sergeant to sit on the tent because I realized that the vestibules were facing the wind, so we just had to twist it around. And as you'll see here, I've made the mod where you tie on the top cap. For this precise situation, actually, you don't want it flying away in the wind. The wind was really starting to pick up here, so it's a pretty good job that I did that. As you can see here, these two sides on the tent are getting absolutely battered by the wind, but after I guyed out the tie points, it was actually pretty stable. But I did do something here that turns out to be an error, and you'll see that later on in the video. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to another video. We're back in the Shropshire Hills. We've just set up the Cloud Peak 2. We would have shown you that. I'll just give you a little peek outside. So the sun's just going down now. It's been really windy up here. It hailed a bit as well. Yeah, we tried setting up the Lanshan 2 before up here, and
it didn't go to plan.
Yeah.
I don't think it would have held.
So far though, the Cloud Peak, you can see it flapping a bit, but it's holding up really well to the wind.
Yeah.
But we're going to get set up now and hopefully cook something, and we'll show you that. Morning guys, we survived the night. Just really can't bother getting out the sleeping bag. It's just nice and warm in here, but we've got to pack away. It's still windy, it's just relentless, but yeah, had a decent sleep and now it's time to go. You can see here that the guy lines throughout the night loosened up, so yeah, the tent is looking a bit more concave, but there's no drama inside, we were still alright. And the error that I made was guying out this point here on the panel that was getting hit by the wind. It caused a lot of stress and it actually tore the tent a bit there. It's not a structural component, so it was fine, but I don't know, do you think that was my error, or is that something that shouldn't have happened? It's a nice morning on Callow Hill. We pitched there. It's still really windy, but we've left no trace and we're gonna head down now.
If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you on our next video.